Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing some frame guards for here. If you guys know, basically anyone that has a 300L or a 300 Rally, your boots basically they go up pretty high, and what happens is it starts scratching the paint and stuff on here. So what we're going to do is install these frame guards to help prevent that. I've been lucky, I've been riding with the low boots so far, so I haven't really had this issue. But when I start going off-road more, I'm going to use my high boots. So, of course, it's going to scratch this up. So let me show you what you get in the package. There's one. There's two. So this is kind of what they're looking like. And they also give you a little cover for your brake reservoir to cover that up and protect it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that or not. But the reason I went with these are actually a cheap generic brand that I got off Amazon. I was going to go with the Acerbis, but the thing is with the Acerbis is they only come in like a very light gray with black, and I don't think it matched the bike very well. So for the time being, I'm just going to use these cheaper ones, and we'll see if they're going to be any good or not. So let's get these installed. All right, guys, so because this one doesn't have anything other than zip ties to hold it on, I'll just show you guys. One zip tie just kind of put through the bottom here, and this zip tie goes around right here, and this one here, I loosened off the bolt on this one just for I could access it a little bit better to put it around the side of the frame here, and that's it. Let's install this one now. Definitely a little bit fiddly, guys. So let's get this in place and try to get it secured. Yeah, that's about as close as it's going to get. Yeah, so let's go around and let's do the other side. Okay, so for this one, guys, I'm going to have to take off my protection guard here. I already slightly loosened it, so that's just going to, because you're going to have to put that over there. I've already put the zip ties in, just one's going to go here, one's going to go here, and then it's going to bolt on. So a little bit better than the other side. So let's take off my guard here. All right, guys, so I had to take off my SRC protection guard. It won't actually go on top of this. So unfortunately for me, I wouldn't be able to run my SRC guard. But for a lot of you guys, you don't actually have any type of protection on your rear pump here. So in that case, it goes on. Let's tighten it up. All right, now we got to put the zip ties on. We got one in here, feed through here. So this one's on. It's not lined up perfectly here. Let's zip tie the top one and try to get this in place. The thing is, it doesn't really line up that well, the fitment. But the top one's not bad. All right, so that's it. That one is on. Now I'll just go around and cut these off and show you the final look of it. That's good. Let's do the other side. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Now, give you guys a look on both sides. So that's the left side. What it's looking like finished. It's holding on there pretty good. And show you the right side. All right, and this is the right side of the bike. Everything's on there pretty good. To be honest, guys, I'm not really happy with the fitment of it due to the fact that my SRC protector won't fit over this or under it. Probably ended up not running it. I might just give it a run on it just to see what it's like. But overall, for a cheapy thing, if you're just looking for a quick one and you want to put on your bike to give some quick protection, I guess you could get this. I could leave a link for this one at Amazon. If not, then probably just go with the Acerbis. And, pay a little bit more, but maybe the fitment will be a little bit better than this one. But anyways, it's on there. That's a quick install of the side frame guards. my cheapo ones. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'll be able to get the collets and the fitment pieces for my bark busters and get that installed, because there was definitely a mismatch with the parts. So just waiting to hear back from them, and hopefully on the next video I can get that installed and finish it up and show you guys. So take care everyone, and I'll catch you in the next video.